Guys, thanks for joining us here in the charts. This is the Market Beast, American Airlines Group. We got a pretty interesting chart. The market just finished consolidating within a range, and it appears that it's breaking out. I'm going to show you what's something that might be worth watching here. So, yeah, welcome back, loyal family, if you're new here. We only explore price action. Let's go ahead and dive right into the charts here, shall we? All right, so today's July the 19th, 2021, and the previous close of American Airlines is AAL is the instrument. It's going to be $19.79, slightly negative, 3.2% for the day. Okay. All right, welcome back, ASMR. Interesting analysis here is what I found on the chart, weekly candles. All right, beautiful. Look at that. Well, it might not be beautiful for the bulls. I'm actually looking at something that's smiling at me. So you got the eye here, eye, nose. You got a nice smiley face. I don't like when the market smiles at me. I'm going to show you an example of what happens when you see the market smiling at you towards the end of the video, but just kind of a really basic understanding of what we're looking at here in front of us. Weekly candles ranges in between $20 and $25. Well, the wicks reached as high as like $26, but let's just keep it simple. $20, $25. It has bounced, found resistance, went up, found a double top, and right now the weekly just closed a weekly candle below the $20 and more precisely 71 cents level. So if you're watching this right now, the market is exploding higher. The only thing that you're looking for is $20.71. If it's below that level, it's simply finding resistance at the previous level of support. I guess you can call it support here, right here at about April the 19th, 2021. If it's getting above that level, that is the only number that can save this market from moving down to the previous level of resistance, which is at about $17. Okay, so that is actually it's not necessarily the technical target, because this market is actually, believe it or not, it's not in an uptrend or downtrend. There's been some really big swings in this market. It's actually coming off a really nasty downtrend, actually. All the way back in February the 20th, 2018, the market has been walking down the stairs. I mean, the bulls have not been happy with this move. It could be in preparation for a really nice move higher, but again, just keep in mind that one number, $20.71. If it's above that level, that's fine. That is beautiful. That means it's getting back within this consolidative phase to propel the price to the upside, because the market, again, it's been in a really nasty downtrend. And ever since, if you look at this area over here, back in May 2020, it's been walking up the stairs. So that's a beautiful sign that the market wants to just kind of get out of this nasty downtrend. Yeah, the previous level of resistance, if the market moves down, you're just looking for $17. That's it. Really simple. Okay, and if that level holds, then it's a really good sign that the market is in preparation to move higher. Really, this market needs to get above $30 to just kind of truly set this trajectory to go higher. I would feel more comfortable if it was above $30. So that's what I have, guys. If it's not above $20.17, expect this market to move lower. Okay, so if you're looking at it right now, Monday morning, and it's kind of fighting with that level, $20.71. Yeah, it's going to move lower, guys. Okay, we got some gaps below the price here on the weekly, and it hasn't been filled just yet. Not guaranteed to get filled. It's pretty close there, right? But that's sometimes when the market players, they really rip this price to the upside. They just kind of get those guys who are always looking for those gap fills, which I do think they eventually happen. But there's a lot of people, like, if the sentiment's really bearish, then yeah, you definitely don't want to get caught up in that, trying to put the market down when everyone's short in the market. You just want to stand clear of that, or just take the opposite side of that play. All right, not financial advice, of course. So that's what I have in a nutshell, guys. $20.71. If we can't get back above there, it's not above that, boom, to the downside. Technical previous level resistance 17 cents. I told you guys I would show you a very interesting M when you find those M's on the chart and it's smiling at you. These are the 3-month candles here. And so if you back out, the reason that I said it's not an uptrend or a downtrend, you see just kind of like these big swings ever since 2005, up, down, like lower low, nice low W, up. And here's that M that I was talking about, guys. It's really, really looking at me. If you guys see that, you see that eye there, the eye there, nose, and a really nice smile. You don't like to see those because, of course, when you break that level, that previous level of support, or just kind of the middle of the pointy part of the M, when it breaks below that level right there, expect the market to move lower. Okay, so if we go back to the previous example that we just went over, you'll notice that The market just recently broke below that like M portion of the chart. Let's go back to the weekly candle so you can see it here. All right, so let's pull it up here. This is a lower time frame, guys. So the lower time frames don't really, again, it's weekly, right? It's not necessarily lower, but it's lower than the 3-month at least. So notice this is the level right here, like kind of that M part, that middle part, and it's already broken below that level. So yeah, if it moves lower, not a surprise, not a shocker, right? $17, all right? And if you're bullish, then you got to see that above $20.71, like right now, Monday. If not, yeah, it's going lower, guys, okay? So leave an appropriate thumb. Hopefully this was enough useful information for you. Let's give this market at least a good 2 weeks to play out to see what's going to happen here in the short term. The short term, 2 weeks, up to 3 weeks. So again, also, if you're new, before you go, we covered the alternative markets. If you're into Bitcoin and altcoins, kindly subscribe, hit the bell, and we'll send you that information when it is available. All right, thanks for listening until the end. Be sure to execute your strategies out there. We'll talk soon, and bye for now.